Hello student, welcome to a brand new video. So this video is about top 5 BCA college in Bangalore. So I am going to talk about top 5 colleges, about the NAC grading, fee, specialization, placement and all. So number 5, that is Jain University. So they first the NAC grading, so they are having A++ NAC grading and specialization. So in BCA they are offering multiple specialization around 7 to 8 specialization. Then the fees, so their fees is 4 to 6 lakhs for 3 years. Then the average placement, the placement rate, so their placement rate is 80%. Then the average placement 4 to 5 lakhs and their highest goes up to 12 lakhs. Number 4, that is MS Ramaiah. MS Ramaiah. NAC grading, so they are also having same A++ NAC grading. Then the specialization in BCA, so they are having 5, 6 to 7 specialization. And then the fees, so their fees 4 to 5 lakhs for 3 years. And the placement, so their average placement 4 to 5 and their highest is 12 lakhs. Now the third one, that is RVCE College of Engineering. So RVCE, they are also having same NAC grading, A++ NAC grading. Then the specialization, they are offering 5 to 6 specialization. Now the fees, so they are having 3.5 lakhs goes up to 5.5 lakhs. Then the placement, so their average placement 4 to 5 lakhs and their highest goes up to 12 lakhs. Now the second one, that is Geetam NAC grading. So they are also having A++ NAC grading and specialization. So in third year you can see multiple specialization like 5 to 6 specialization they will offer. Then the placement, so their average placement average is 4 to 5 and their highest goes up to 12 lakhs. So in 2025, one student got this package 12 lakhs. And the first one, that is Christ. So Christ University Bangalore. So they are also having same language A++. And the specialization, they are also having 6 to 7 specialization. Then the fees. So their fees 4 to 6.5 lakhs. Then the placement, so their average placement same like Geetam 4 to 5 lakhs and their highest goes up to 15 lakhs. Now it's time for the conclusion. So if you are looking for a college you have global reputation, so you can go with Christ and Geetam University because their PS ranking in Geetam their PS ranking is 800 and in Christ University their PS ranking is 1400 and we are also collaborating with multiple universities in abroad. So global reputation and their NAC grading is also good, their average placement and their fees are also affordable. So you can go with Christ and Geetam University. Then you can go with RVCE and Ramaiah and Jain. RVCE is also a good option for BCA and MCA also. So after this Christ and Geetam University you can go with RVCE. And Jain and MS Ramaiah is overall an average college for BCA courses. You can obviously choose that college also, but your first preference should be Christ, Geetam and RVCE. So what is your opinion? You can comment below. Thank you for watching.